In 2026, we find ourselves surrounded by an endless tide of technology, much of it designed with a built-in obsolescence, destined for the digital landfill within a blink. It is a cynical era, one where components are often sacrificed on the altar of manufactured affordability. But then, you occasionally encounter a piece of engineering that quietly defies the trend. This is one of those times. We are not discussing another disposable trinket. We are talking about the G.SKILL RipjawsV, a set of high-performance memory modules crafted not for the fleeting novelty of a gadget, but for the rigorous demands of sustained professional output. For those of us who bill by the hour, and for whom even a whisper of system lag translates into real financial leakage, this becomes a strategic asset, not merely a component. Forget the abstract specifications for a moment. Let us talk about time. Imagine the cumulative seconds you lose each day waiting for applications to load, for complex spreadsheets to recalculate, or for your development environment to compile. A 360-degree 100 megatransfer per second memory kit operating at a tight CAS latency of 18 is not just about raw speed. It is about buying back your morning, reclaiming the minutes that insidious digital friction steals from your focus. Over the course of a year, this memory's responsiveness could easily net you hours of regained mental bandwidth, freeing you to concentrate on the work that truly matters. This is not about the theoretical maximums. It is about the practical minimums of frustration. Physically, these are not flimsy plastic sticks. While RAM modules typically weigh mere ounces, the density of the RipjawsV thermal solution is immediately apparent. The black heat spreaders are substantial, giving them a feel of industrial-grade engineering. This isn't decorative. This is about thermal dissipation, about ensuring these two 16GB modules can sustain peak performance under heavy load, preventing the sort of silent systemic throttling that can undermine even the most powerful processor. There is a tangible zero-flex quality to their construction, a quiet reassurance that these are built to endure. Now, for a professional-only quirk, these modules, to unlock their full 360-100 megatransfer potential, require a deliberate step. You must enable the XMP profile within your system's BIOS. It is not always a plug-and-play experience at their maximum rated speed. But this is not a flaw. It is a feature that separates the dedicated professional from the casual user. It is the necessary flick of a switch that transforms a robust default into an optimized high-performance tool, preventing any insidious workflow bottlenecks that could otherwise plague your mission-critical applications. This is about taking control of your hardware, not letting it dictate your efficiency. In an increasingly volatile global market, where supply chains in 2026 are as unpredictable as ever, securing high-grade components can sometimes feel like a tactical maneuver. This G.SKILL RipjawsV kit represents a tangible investment against the unseen costs of inefficiency and frustration. It is a statement that your time and your work deserve uncompromising performance. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.